His Excellency Padam Shri Dr. D.Y. Patil, Governor of Tripura, our chief guest today, Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Odisha, Dr. Damodar Raut, Secretary Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, Dr. P.K. Pradhan, our Honorable Special Guest today, Rajyogini Dadi Ratan Moini ji, Moini Didi ji, who is going to arrive us very shortly, dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, members of international and national faculty, delegates from India and abroad, fellow colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It's really a great pleasure and honor indeed for me to welcome you all on the occasion of inaugural function of 7th World Congress on Clinical Preventive Cardiology and Imaging 2012 being organized by various national and international organizations at the Brahma Kumari's World Headquarters. I welcome you all. At the outset, ladies and gentlemen, may I request you all to kindly give a standing ovation to all the dignitaries on the dais for their enormous contribution in enhancing the awareness on the heart protection. And may I request all the dignitaries to please stand to receive the ovations, fulfilling the theme of the World Heart Day, One World, One Home and One Heart of 2011 and CVD prevention amongst women and children in 2012. I welcome you all. Sir Albert Einstein once said, "We are not the packages of flesh and bone with the wisps of memory and desire, but we are all the web of information and energy interwoven with the emotions and intelligence from the eye of the consciousness and not from the eye of the body or eye of the mind." The World Congress has been organized with the main theme of heart illness to heart wellness. The unique features of the World Congress are very obvious. A scientific update you have been seeing since morning under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Naveen C. Nanda and Dr. S.K. Parashar. Free screening echo heart checkup camp has been organized where more than 1,000 patients will be echoed and under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Rakesh Gupta and Dr. Satish Gupta. A unique textbook on cardiology, especially clinical and historical perspective under the editorship of Dr. Naveen C. Nanda and me, with more than 100 contributors from all over the world, is published by J.P. Brothers Medical Publishers, is being launched for the first time in the world with this particular perspective. The book is the amalgam of clinical cardiology and historical perspective. I am sure the book will stimulate new ideas to promote research, create useful protocols and enhance skill of medical students, practicing cardiologists, cardiac surgeons, intensivists and physicians, and will be used as a reference book in various libraries of the world. This may happen with the support and vision of two important people whom I want to name, Dr. Amal Banerjee and Dr. P.K. Dev, who heads the CSI. I also take this opportunity to say that another book is going to be launched by edited by Dr. Vijay Lakshmi, and the book is Comprehensive Approach to Congenital Heart Disease, a Lifelong Odyssey. A unique DVD named Heart to Heart, Dil Ki Baat, and a handbook of 3D heart care authored by Dr. Satish Gupta, Dr. Pratap Midda and Dr. Avdesh Sharma is being released today. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know that despite sophistication in technology, the prevalence of coronary artery disease is rising very steeply in our country. We are leading like a world capital in the world. By the year 2015, we are going to be the world capital of CVD. The CAD is the biggest globe's slayer, claiming about 17.5 million lives every year. The disease is very extensive, diffuse and more premature. 10 times more premature in Indian population as compared to the continents worldwide in the eastern part or the western part. The mortality is reduced everywhere, whether it's US or UK, Australia, Finland, Canada, but in India the projections are very negative. Most of us are unfortunately busy in earning money with faulty lifestyle and losing health of the heart. And then we are busy in losing that money and trying to earn the health of the heart. It's gone. Drastic steps in the life optimization, including 3M, that is mindfulness, meditation and medication, is the need of the hour. We have to have optimum nutrition, adequacy in fruit consumption, vegetable consumption, and no to tobacco, no alcohol, regular exercise, and timely and effective use of wellness programs with EECP and with interventions like PTCA, angioplasty and CABG may help in reducing the CVD morbidity and mortality. Rapid urbanization, globalization, industrialization and health transition are the main factors for premature heart attacks in India. I firmly believe that the premature heart attack and metabolic syndrome are hidden dual medical terrorists today. Ladies and gentlemen, most of us are walking emotional time bombs of metabolic syndrome with seeds of premature coronary artery disease. What we eat definitely matters, but what is eating us matters more. I appeal to the Minister, sir, we must create India Heart Protection Task Force with Global Alliance. I also appeal to you, sir, we must allocate a global heart protection fund, launch a heart protection TV channel, launch heart protection column in every newspaper and magazine, and embark AHA, not American Heart Association, but embark heart attack hotline in every hospital. Create a heart attack eradication program. Create healthy heart initiatives right from the schools and in the corporates, and enhance heart health insurance right from the childhood. To conclude, ladies and gentlemen, I would just like to say a nice expression which integrates science and spirituality, and the expression is, as is the quantum soup, so is the gluon, and as is the gluon, so is the quark. As is the quark, so is the boson. And as are the gluon, quark and boson, so is the primordial sound. And as is the primordial sound, so is the energy of vibration. And as is the energy of vibration, so is the proton, neutron and electron. And as are the proton, neutron and electron, so is the DNA. And as is the DNA, so is the intelligence. As is the intelligence, so is the emotion. As is the emotion, so is the perception, thought and interpretation. And as is the interpretation, so is the choice. As is the choice, so is the mind. As is the mind, so is the body. As are the mind and body, ladies and gentlemen, so is the lifestyle. And as is the lifestyle, so is the health of the heart. And as is the health of the heart, so is the world around you. Heart has to be healthy if you want a beautiful world around you. Thank you very much for your kind attention, sir. Before we really invite Dr. Naveen Sinanda, I have a very important duty. I have to request our chief guest to bestow upon some special award of excellence in cardiology to 5 important people. Since they have to leave, they have a flight to catch, and I'll request our chief guest, His Excellency, to do this honor.